Some of you may have noticed that there have been some new signs underneath the South Carolina 174 signs that have been here for a while. That's because National Scenic Byways rate a special sign. And just so I can be sure you know what it looks like, I'd like to ask Mrs. Dorothy Smith and Nick Lindsay, the treasurer and founders of the Edisto Island Community Association, to just step up here and take this sign and turn it around so everybody can see what it looks like. All right, folks, we're now ready to have our official ribbon cutting. Look what we have. I'm going to ask Lex Crawford if he could come up here and take this. And if you all will follow him out to the highway, and if we can ask our troopers, our county police, if we could stop the traffic just for a minute and see how people enjoy that.
Bandolier.
Cut it in half now. You make sure you cut that in half now. What a big thing. Ah!
Remember, tell me, say, Queen Quet 100 for come for Edisto, because we going to cut one ribbon there. And then when I see the ribbon have blue in them and white, you know, indigo and white, that'll be good. So you know, me be glad for that. So me know so that been one blessing for this year road too and things like that. So all the 100 children what I work on this year, you done yet, they say more work for do. They'll let you party in the beginning so you can sleep them off or make you work some more. But the main thing, I go and do this because I had a couple of the ladies come up to me and say, we been want Yeti to sing. So I just go give y'all just a little bit of that. So that way my road can still be open the next time I have to come for another store. I want them to block me off. Okay. This year for all y'all, we're going to work on this. The one who think in the beginning ain't been or nothing. And the one who know from the beginning this Gwine, this year they gonna come. But you got plenty more for this. Remember how we ancestors, we elders teach you. Say, hold on, just a little while longer. Hold on, just a little while longer. Hold on, just a little while longer. Everything will be alright on a children bite on. Just a little while longer, fight on. Just a little while longer, fight on. Just a little while longer, everything will be alright. Gonna have to pray on. Just a little while longer, pray on. Just a little while longer, pray on. Just a little while longer, everything will be alright. And it's gonna say everything will be alright. Gullah Geechee's everything will be alright. Hold on, Edisto. I can hold on with you. Take it, children. It's a blessing. Take it.